Hey, what's up guys? I hope you're all having a good day. In this video, I'm going to show you how to speed up your Android phone. Now, if you are a long-time Android user, you are probably already familiar with these steps. So this video may not be relevant to you. So I'm focusing on this video for the people who are new to the Android family. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. So what you want to do is you need to go into your settings. So in settings, we are going to enable developer options. As you can see here at the bottom, I have developer options menu, and you probably won't see this menu because it hasn't been activated yet. So to need to activate this developer options, I need you to go into About Phone. In About Phone, I need you to click on software information. And in software information, you will see build number. On build number, you need to rapidly press 7 times until you start seeing a countdown timer sort of thing. You know, it will go from 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. But as you can see here, it says no need because I already have it enabled. So once it's been enabled, you need to go back into settings and scroll all the way down until you see developer options. So once you click on developer options, it's going to show you whole new options which you haven't seen before, and you need to scroll down sort of to the middle until you see transition animation scale, Windows animation scale, and animator duration scale. Now by default they would probably be set to 1 or 1.5. I can't remember that from the memory, but I have a feeling it's at 1.5. So I have set it up to animation off, and I'll show you what that means. So as you can see right now, as soon as I click, it's just like the new window just pops up, almost, you know, materializes in front of you. So, but if let's say if I set it up to animation scale 5, so what's going to happen now? As you can see, the animation is like slowly making it appear and disappear in front of me, taking that valuable time that you don't have. So for what I like doing, I just like to you can either turn it down, you know, to whatever you're liking. Some people leave it at 0.5, so it's still snappy, but you still see a bit of animation if you're a fan of that. I do not like the animation, so I turn it off completely. So for me, it's almost instant as soon as you click it. And you need to do the same thing with all three of them. You want to turn them all off if you don't really care about the animation, and you are set, because already, as you can see, it's getting super snappy, you know, because the phone is not using that time to produce those animations. So that's step one. The second step would be you need to go back into settings again, and you need to go into the search menu and click for battery. And once you click battery, you need to click here, and here we are going in app power management. So in app power management, as you can see, it's got an option saying sleeping apps. So what that means is, so you can add apps in here that you don't generally use, and so you don't want these apps to be using the valuable RAM and the battery that you have. So let's say, for example, this Domino's app, I don't want to be using it all the time or running in the background. I only really need to use it when I open it. So what it means is when you putting your apps on sleep, it's basically like going into a hibernation mode. It's there, but it's not really using any resources on your phone. But once you want to use it, it's like, you know, nothing ever happens. So if I go into my apps and I find where the Domino's is, like that, and because it's not going to work because I have the internet turned off, so I'm not getting any notifications come through while I'm making this video. But as you can see, the app opens like all the other apps, normal apps, would work as normal because you are not you know, really just using those resources. So what you can do is you can go through the apps and you can add them to this list, and you want to go all the way down, and it should give you an option, and you can select more apps that you want to keep adding into this list. Now what you don't want to add into this list would be the apps that might give you notifications, because if they go on sleep, they won't be able to send you notifications, like your email client or your Instagram or Snapchat or Facebook, WhatsApp. You don't want any of those apps going into sleeping mode, because like I said, you won't be able to receive the notifications from them if you do that. But if you put a lot of apps on sleep mode, that would free up the resources, the RAM and the battery for your phone to use to run other tasks. So your phone would run a little bit smoother and faster. So for the third tip, we're going to go back into battery and we're going to select, and now here we're going to go into power mode. In power mode, so you can see you have high performance, which is kind of pretty clear what it means. So high performance would give you higher screen brightness and resolution, and it would also speed up your CPU. But that would also mean that it would compromise your battery life, so you probably won't be getting the battery life as long as you are right now. So for me, I really enjoy the optimized mode, because for me the amount of usage that I need, I play games here now and there. I play Asphalt 8 Airborne sometime, and even on optimized mode, Asphalt runs absolutely fine. I haven't had any issues whatsoever. But if you really want high performance mode, there you go, you can just click it and you click apply, and it takes a few seconds for it to apply, and once it's done, there you go, you're in high performance mode. So your phone, it's gonna be even faster. But like I said, I don't like the high performance mode. I tend to stick with optimized, so I'm just gonna click on optimized, and there we go. So I'm on optimized mode now. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So the reason you're seeing a little bit of lag there, because I changed the power mode there. So this is the 3 easy steps for you to speed up your phone just a little bit, to enjoy your Android device a little bit more. And if you guys have any questions, ask me in the comment section. If you guys have any other tips and tricks to make them faster that I'm not aware of, please let me know in the comment section below. So I will be very keen to learn those. And after that, I'd like you guys have a great day. Enjoy your life, live the fullest. See ya.
It's black and white.